students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you the MCQs, give reasons and fill-ups with answers of Class 8 Physics Chapter Force and Pressure of your NCERT Science textbook. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Multiple choice questions. 1. Which of the following are contact forces? A. Friction. B. Gravitational forces. C. Magnetic forces. D. Muscular forces. Option A and B. Option B and C. Option C, A and D. Option D, B and D. Answer option C, A and D. Friction and muscular forces. 2. The same force F acts on 4 different objects having the areas given below one by one, in which case the pressure exerted will be maximum. Option A 20 meter square, option B 50 meter square, option C 10 meter square, option D 100 meter square. Answer option C 10 meter square. 3. Which of the following does not work on the existence of atmospheric pressure? Options A. Rise of iodine solution in the glass tube of dropper. B. Rise of cold drink in a long plastic straw. C. Sticking of suction hook on the wall of a room. D. Rise of mercury in glass tube of thermometer. Answer option D. Rise of mercury in the glass tube of thermometer. 4. Which of the following is not an example of force of gravity? Options A. A leaf falling from a tree. B. A boy pushing a cart on a level plane. C. A diver jumping into a swimming pool. D. A person drawing water from a well. Answer option B. A boy pushing a cart on a level plane. Filling the blanks. 1. If two forces applied to an object are equal and act in opposite directions, the net force acting on the object will be dash. If two forces applied to an object are equal and act in opposite directions, the net force acting on the object will be 0. 2. Force could be a dash or a dash. Force could be a push or a pull. 3. A force arises due to dash between two bodies. A force arises due to interaction between two bodies. 4. The pressure exerted by a liquid dash with depth. The pressure exerted by a liquid increases with depth. 5. A drinking straw works on the existence of dash pressure. A drinking straw works on the existence of atmospheric pressure. Give reasons for the following. Water comes out more slowly from an upstairs tap than from a similar tap downstairs. Answer: because pressure increases with depth. Tip of the sewing needle is sharp. Give reason. Tip of the sewing needle is sharp because when the area is less, pressure is more. 3. School bags are provided with white straps to carry them. Give reason. School bags are provided with white straps to carry them because when the area is more, pressure is less.